Take your children to work day. Oh wait, we have that every day.
Let's say that sounds
Where are we going?
Well, guess what, guys? The next town is named after me.
St. Paul?
Yep.
I don't think it's you it's named after. Wait, hold the phone, stop the video. We forgot to tell you why we're going to the lavender farm. Our apologies. So you see, we're an herbal tea farm, aside from growing our own food, but we hand blend artisan tea. And our lavender is coming from France. No good. We love local family farms, and we want that in our tea too. So we're going to Yamhill County and we're getting local lavender. No lavender from France, lavender from Oregon. In our tea, in our Cascade Earl Grey tea, and in our Rose City Repose tea. Oregon lavender for Oregon tea. Okay, back to the video. We're here. Look at that pretty building.
Yeah. That'll be hard. What is that? 106.
And the chicken houses.
Where's the eggs, Mommy?
Hey, careful with the roosters. Don't put your hands in there.
What? Look, they even have recipes.
Hey, wants to knock me over.
Charity, keep your hands back.
Landscaping fabric keeps all the weeds out. This here is not culinary lavender, and it's not quite ready to bloom yet, but it's coming. We're gonna go down here and check out the blooming lavender. There's a couple of artists down here painting.
Good afternoon, folks. We are blending the Earl Grey tea. This is our very famous, one-of-a-kind blend that only people with the very finest palate and discerning taste will ever get the pleasure of enjoying. And we are going to add a pinch more of lavender. This is the finest Oregon lavender that you will find, coming straight to you from Newburgh.